So we are down here downtown, and it feels like the apocalypse. I'm at the corner of Capitol in Louisiana, and they've got the roads blocked off. There's sirens going off everywhere. It feels like the end of the world out here, if I'm being honest. There's a police cruiser here blocking off the road. There's alarms on buildings going off everywhere. It's unbelievable. Like, if you can hear it, I'll stop talking for a moment. You'll be able to hear the alarms. This is whatever street this is. I don't even know. Let's see. We are on Louisiana. This is Louisiana Street and Texas Avenue. And you can see behind me, it's totally underwater. Everything is underwater right now. This is worse than Allison by a long run. I mean, by a long way. This is much, much worse than Hurricane Allison. You can actually hear all the generators running right now. All these buildings are on backup power, so it's a pretty dire situation. A lot of these skyscrapers completely down, basically. I'm gonna go back to the car and get some still shots, and then we're gonna get out of here because it's starting to rain again, and I don't know when it's gonna let up. So it's better safe than sorry, right?